Welcome to our channel. Today we how to maximize credit card points for free travel step by step clearly. Start by researching credit cards that offer travel rewards. Look for cards with sign-up bonuses that can significantly boost your points. Evaluate the ongoing reward structure for everyday spending. Choose a card that aligns with your travel goals, such as airline or hotel points. Next, apply for your chosen credit card. Make sure to meet any minimum spending requirements to unlock the sign-up bonus. Use your card for essential expenses like groceries and bills to accumulate points quickly. Consider utilizing additional cards that complement your primary card's rewards program. For example, use a hotel rewards card when booking accommodations. Sign up for loyalty programs with airlines and hotels to earn extra points. Pay attention to special promotions or offers from your credit card provider. Take advantage of partner offers for shopping and dining to increase your rewards. Keep track of your points and when they expire. Plan your travel around the best redemption opportunities for your points. Be mindful of blackout dates and availability when booking free travel. Use travel planning tools and apps to help you find the best deals. Consider transferring your points to airline or hotel partners for greater value. Monitor flight and hotel prices to know when to book. Always read the fine print regarding redemption limitations. Maximize your points by using them for experiences instead of just flights or hotels. Stay organized by maintaining a spreadsheet to track your rewards and points. Finally, review your credit card statements regularly to ensure you're maximizing your benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.